Looking for the best pickleball paddle? Whether you need more spin, power, or control, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 paddles that can take your game to the next level. Let's dive in. Number 1. Juiceo US APA Approved Pickleball Paddle. The Juiceo US APA Approved Pickleball Paddle is built for players seeking ultimate spin, control, and durability. Featuring a titanium-woven surface, this paddle enhances ball grip, delivering maximum spin and precision with every shot. Its thermoformed construction ensures superior strength, while the foam-injected edges provide enhanced stability, reducing vibration for a smoother, more controlled feel. The ergonomic handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, allowing players to perform with confidence. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this paddle meets US APA standards, making it tournament-ready. Whether you're looking for powerful shots or precise control, the Juiceo titanium-woven paddle is the perfect choice to elevate your pickleball game. Number 2. Vanguard Invicta Pro 12K Pickleball Paddle. The Vanguard Invicta Pro 12K Pickleball Paddle is engineered for players who demand power, control, and superior spin. Built with 12K raw carbon fiber, this paddle enhances durability and responsiveness, making it ideal for competitive play. The 16mm polymer honeycomb core ensures an optimal balance of power and precision, while the expanded sweet spot improves shot accuracy. With supreme spin technology, players can achieve greater ball control and master spin shots with ease. The lightweight, well-balanced design provides effortless maneuverability, reducing fatigue during long matches. Additionally, the ergonomic grip offers a secure, comfortable feel for enhanced performance. Whether you play aggressively or strategically, the Vanguard Invicta Pro 12K is a top-tier choice for elevating your pickleball game. Number 3. Amasport USA Pickleball Paddle. The Amasport US APA Pickleball Paddle is designed for both amateur and professional players, offering a perfect balance of power, control, and durability. Made with raw cross T700 carbon fiber, this paddle enhances spin and precision, allowing players to dominate the game with ease. The 16mm Cross-Tech polymer core provides excellent shock absorption, reducing vibration for a smoother playing experience. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, minimizing hand fatigue during long matches. The lightweight yet sturdy build allows for quick reactions and effortless maneuverability. This paddle comes with a protective cover, keeping it safe from damage when not in use. If you're looking to elevate your pickleball game, the Amasport USPA paddle is a top choice. Number 4. Pickleball Paddle. USAPA approved for tournament play. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddle is a USAPA approved paddle designed for all skill levels, from beginners to pros. Built with T700 raw carbon fiber, it delivers maximum spin, precision, and control. The raw spin technology ensures a superior grip on the ball, enhancing your performance. This paddle features a RevCore Control polymer core, 16mm, providing an ultra-large sweet spot for better accuracy. The Edge-Sentry edgeguard offers durability and balance, while the SLK faux leather grip ensures a comfortable, non-slip hold. Available in Max and XL shapes, it caters to different playstyles, Max for balance control and XL for power and spin. Weighing 7.6 to 8.2 ounces, this lightweight yet sturdy paddle is perfect for competitive and casual players alike. Number 5. Juiceo US APA Approved Thermoform Pickleball Paddle. The Juiceo USPA Approved Thermoform Pickleball Paddle is crafted for players who demand spin, control, and durability. Built with T700 raw carbon fiber, its textured surface enhances ball grip, delivering maximum spin and precision. Featuring thermoformed unibody construction, this paddle ensures extra strength and longevity, while the foam-injected edge provides superior stability and reduced vibration for a smooth, controlled feel. The ergonomic grip offers comfort during extended play, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. USAPA approved for tournament play, this paddle is designed for powerful shots and ultimate accuracy. Take your game to the next level with the Juiceo T700 carbon fiber paddle. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel